Hi guys, hello again. I just want to, take out the confusion for the version of the Unreal Engine, like which version you should use. I showed you how to install the engine. I showed you like 5.44550 whatever. This is the latest version of Unreal Engine, but I actually prepare all my assets in the 4.27.2. I mean, in Unreal Engine 4, the latest version of Unreal Engine 4, let's say. The reason for that is if I upload an asset and start selling it, the people who still use Unreal Engine 4 won't be able to use them. So I keep it at the minimum and I make the items available starting from Unreal Engine 4 to the Unreal Engine 5. So don't worry guys, the people who use Unreal Engine 5 will also be able to import your content into their projects. It will be compatible with them, okay? So like I said, I really advise you to install this version, the latest version of 4, which you will have in here. You will select from the drop-down menu, this one, 4.27. Maybe when you are watching this version, maybe 2 will be 3, whatever. Don't worry about that. Just install the 4.27 and your content will be compatible with Unreal Engine 4 to up to the latest version of Unreal Engine 5. Okay, and thank you for your understanding, guys. See you in the next lesson. Bye bye.